Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. I'm so insanely crowded. I'm gonna try to find my way out of this whole tourist site. Yeah, look at that. That's completely insane. Can't walk down that way at all. That's like, that's crazy. Yeah, it's not much of a tourist attraction if you can't even walk. So yeah, I'm gonna try to navigate out of here. Try to find another place in Chongqing to go. And there's a lot of other stuff to see anyway, so. Yeah, interesting village, but it's crazy crowded. Okay, so way down there you can see all the people all over the place here. And you can see this guy right here is yelling at this guy, and there's kind of a nice little rivalry between the two of them. And they're kind of making things and making some noises. I might try to walk by there in a minute. I think I will. I'll walk down in a minute and we can see what's going on. So, ready, Tyler? So we're gonna go check out these two guys over here. It's kind of entertaining anyways. So they're making some stuff and they're kind of doing some bantering between each of them. So here's one of them right here. This is the other guy here too. Don't touch it. We got this guy over here too. This one goes up with the, I guess, advertising for this. I guess they have some kind of theater. You want to go up there? How much is it?
穿西服拍西照。
Let's just show here.
这边化妆。
How much is it?
爱讲好不讲？ You can wear this clothes.
Actually, this is kind of a circus, like how much craziness is going on and how many people is everywhere. But at the same time, it's kind of cool. So now that I've been here for 3-4 hours, I realize that I don't really want to go anywhere else. So it's kind of a cool place, but it's way too crowded. Could use about 1/10 of the tourists. But it is an ancient city that's like part of Chongqing, which is 30 million people. So it makes sense that it would be insanely crowded. Probably with locals and foreign tourists alike. But I can see why. It's a pretty cool spot. A lot of good food, a lot of activities, a lot of kind of entertainment, a lot of alleys and streets that you don't really expect. So yeah, I like it overall quite a bit. Makes me want to see more of China and just kind of see all the different stuff out there, because there's a lot of interesting things. And just all the different kinds of foods and just different things that I'm just kind of feel like I'm just scratching the surface with a country this massive. I guess it's like, you go to Portland and you think that that's America, and then you go to New Orleans and then you realize that that's also America. So yeah, Chongqing is just another corner of a pretty massive, huge country. And I think I'm gonna overlook a lake right here. Okay. Let's walk and see what this is. Actually, this town is much bigger than I thought. This little ancient city of, and I'll put the name down below. I don't know if I want to try to pronounce it, but I kind of want to see what it looks like in the evening now. I think it's going to look pretty cool too. So okay, we're going to go down by the lake and see what's all here. Okay. So take a look, looks like they're building maybe a ferry terminal or something like that. I don't know. So they're building something. Always building something in China. Right. There's a little old boat from the old style just kind of going along, and then you got all this different stuff everywhere. Contrasting this guy with a biker gear. Okay. There's Chongqing, some of the many skyscrapers all around us actually. Even up there. Chiquinha.